Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin after testing some of the key line of resistance has started to show weakness. But is this an actual weakness or is this just a temporary pullback before starting with another impulsive move? What to expect next? So today in this video we are going to talk about many different scenarios pointing us where the price in the medium short term, where the price for the coming days might be possibly heading. So before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also guys, let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video, because video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, please destroy that like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Now first thing first, let's look at this Bitcoin USDT in a daily time frame using this Wyckoff's reaccumulation schematic one. Things are lining up perfectly. I mean, according to this Wyckoff, the price of Bitcoin has already ended phase A, phase B, phase C, and now this here could be a formation of phase D. And in phase D, you can see, according to this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase, price after few shakeout could be slowly getting attracted, right? Could be slowly getting attracted towards this upper trend line. And in our case, I have been very clear with you guys, if the price gets attracted on 71,000 one more time, it is going to be a breakout, just like from this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase, because in that case we will be entering in this phase E, and phase E is a beginning of an actual mark of phase or actual bullish phase. So that's why guys, that's why as long as the price remains over 60,000, any sort of a pullback, any sort of a false breakout will be very short-lived. And the reason why we were expecting price in the medium short term could show a pullback to test some key line and then going parabolic, because parallelly, you can see parallelly the price in a 4-hour time frame is forming a rising wedge. A rising wedge is a bearish continuation pattern where upper trend line acts as resistance and lower trend line acts as support. So in our case, we have already broken out from this lower trend line, which is also resulting in a corrective move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that if the price in the medium short term shows another continuation like this, please do not worry. I mean, this here, right? This here could be just a temporary pullback, price coming back around the 61,000 and then starting with another continuation like this. I mean, after ending this bearish continuation, the price of Bitcoin could be starting with another bullish move, and in that case we will be following this Wyckoff's reaccumulation schematic one, and parallelly, you can see parallelly getting attracted towards this trend line, this horizontal trend line 61,000. Doesn't mean we are bearish, because according to this Bollinger Band, you can see we have already broken out of this upper band, which only gets broken during uptrend. So in our case, if this here is going to result in another continuation to the downside, I have been very clear with you guys, it might be just a retest. I mean, price coming back to test the support from this basis line or the signal line before starting with another bullish move, because in the past price action we have found out during uptrend, whenever the price has broken out of the upper band, this center line has always acted as a strong line of support, and price after that has shown a very bullish move. So that's why in our case, any sort of a pullback, price remaining over 60,000 will be looked as a retest, and right after that we are expecting another bullish continuation to play out, because parallelly you can see price not just only has support from this signal line or the basis line, but we also have support from this leading indicator, CPR indicator, because right now you can see this CPR line, which sits in between 63 to 65,000, is going to be looked as one of the most important support line for Bitcoin. So even if this bearish continuation pattern starts playing out, maybe we won't come across this 61,000. Maybe this will be just a temporary pullback around 63,000, and right after that could show another continuation like this, because around 64,000 you can see we have support from this basis line, we have support from this CPI indicator, and we know price remaining over the CPI line simply means the upcoming month August will be also looked as a bullish month. Yes guys, simply remaining over the CPI line or closing the month above the CPI line definitely indicates the upcoming trend for Bitcoin is expected to be bullish. So that's why, guys, that's why you can see this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase is going to play out according to our analysis. So any sort of a pullback, again, we have strong line of support lying for Bitcoin above 60,000. And now, even according to this Williams alligator indicator, we have seen Williams alligator indicator during uptrend acting as a strong line of support. You can see during uptrend, this trend line has acted as strong line of support, and right after that, the price has also shown a very bullish move. So in our case, any sort of a pullback, this trend line here will be looked as support again above 60,000, and then we are expecting a very similar move to play out, just like I shown in an example. I mean, price after liquidating the overall average longs slowly start with an actual bullish move, because parallelly we have not reached the price opportunity from another bullish continuation pattern. I mean, the right angle broadening bottom pattern is a bullish continuation pattern with price opportunity around 70,000, 71,000. So unless we see price showing another continuation like this, right, we are expecting the upcoming trend, upcoming move for Bitcoin to be bullish regardless of this false breakout which could happen in the medium short term. Yes, guys, if you have any doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out, because this right angle broadening bottom pattern 71,000 is attracting us parallelly. This right angle descending broadening wedge is also pointing us that since this upper trend line, which in the past price action acted as a resistance, will be attracting us for the upcoming days. Yes, guys, this same trend line which previously acted as resistance could be attracting us, which also sits around 71,500. So there you can see, guys, regardless of the shakeout which might play out in the medium short term, we are still expecting price to get attracted around the 71,000, and only after that to choose an actual trend direction, because we know beside this upper trend line which sits around 71,000, beside the price opportunity from this right angle broadening bottom pattern, even the price opportunity from the descending broadening wedge sits around 71,000. Yes, guys, this horizontal trend line or the top of this descending broadening wedge will be also acting as magnet for the upcoming days. So according to this bullish continuation pattern, you can see 70,000 could be attracting us, and parallelly, right, parallelly, even this falling channel, another bullish continuation pattern with price opportunity again around 71,000 will be attracting us. So that's why so many confluence, you can see we have so many confluence around 71,000. So I personally think even after a shakeout like this, price is still expected to show a move at least around 71,000, and only after that decide an actual trend direction. But I personally think as soon as the price gets attracted on the 70,000, we will be starting with another bullish continuation from Wyckoff, which is known as a reaccumulation phase. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another 200 USDT free position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description. Yes, guys, this event is temporary. If you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely grab this opportunity. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.